Theorem 2.6 Statement of the theorem. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Here given that the ratio of the area of two similar triangles. So in the theorem we have two similar triangles. Okay. So consider two similar triangles ABC and PQR. Okay. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. For a side AB, corresponding side is PQ. For a side BC, corresponding side is QR. For a side AC, corresponding side is PR. So the ratio of means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Given that two similar triangles, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It means corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio. Therefore, data triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So, to prove ratio of the area of two similar triangles. So, ratio area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So, for a side AB, corresponding side is PQ, so whole square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, for a side AC, corresponding side is PR, whole square. Next side BC, corresponding side is QR, whole square. After that construction, draw one line, name it as M. So draw AM perpendicular to BC, and similarly in the second figure draw PN perpendicular to QR. Draw AM perpendicular to BC and draw in the second figure PN perpendicular to QR. Next, proof of the theorem. First we have to find area of triangle ABC and area of the triangle PQR. So area of triangle equal to half into base into height. So first consider area of triangle ABC equal to half into, which is the base in the triangle ABC? Base is the BC into height is the AM. Okay. Again, in area of triangle PQR, half into base is, in triangle PQR, base is QR and height into height is the PN. Okay. After that, find ratio area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to half into BC into AM in dividing by half into QR into PN. So half gets cancelled. we get area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to BC into AM by QR into PN. After that consider the next we have to consider triangle ABM and triangle PQN. We have to consider shaded triangle, two shaded triangles. What is given? Triangle. Given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It means corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. So corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So now consider the angle B equal to angle Q. Why? Given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, using that we write angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q, reason triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, then their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Clear? After that, this angle M equal to angle N. Angle M equal to angle N. Both angles are equal to 90 degree. Because AM is perpendicular to BC, therefore angle M equal to 90 degree. Here PN is perpendicular to QR, then angle N equal to 90 degree. So we write angle M equal to angle N is equal to 90 degree. So by angle similarity criteria, here we get two angles of the triangle, angle M and angle N, angle B, angle Q. Two angles of the triangles are equal. So we conclude that triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. Okay. So we get that triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. So corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio. So we write the ratio AB by PQ equal to AM by PN equal to BM by QN using definition of two similarity triangles. We get corresponding angles are equal. So we write corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay. Now consider this equation. So BC into AM by QR into PN. So I write it separately, BC by QR into AM by PN. Okay. Here we get AM by PN equal to AB by PQ. AM by PN equal to AB by PQ. So I write BC by QR, replace AM by PN by AB by PQ, AB by PQ. Okay. But given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then corresponding angles are equal, and corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio. So we write AB dividing by PQ equal to BC by QR and AC by PR. Corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay. So here we get BC by QR equal to AB by PQ. So again we get area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR, BC by QR into AB by PQ. Okay, but BC by QR equal to AB by PQ. So I write AB by PQ into AB by PQ. Replace BC by QR by AB by PQ. So here AB into AB square, PQ into PQ square. So I write AB by PQ whole square. Clear? Therefore, we prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to AB by PQ whole square. Similarly, we prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to BC by QR whole square equal to AC by PR whole square. So hence result is proved. So we get the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides.